With an iPad on one side and a notebook on the other, Rhonda Thom is absorbing lessons on finance. This week, she's spending time to learn about budgeting.
All my notes have been taken during the course.
Budgeting isn't something she is accustomed to doing, but recently Rhonda decided it was time to invest in something for herself. With rent rising, she is looking to buy her first house.
I feel like I'm back in school.
Rhonda has lived in Schenectady since 2013 after moving here from New Jersey. She's hoping to buy a home here in Mount Pleasant. In order to reach this goal, Rhonda has enrolled in an online financial confidence seminar hosted by Better Community Neighborhoods.
Welcome everybody again. It is week 2 of our financial confidence series.
Alex Carver is the mastermind behind this curriculum. She says the goal of this is to change the narrative around finance while giving individuals and their families the tools they need to be financially literate.
So my journey is ongoing. I started out doing the financial confidence series, and that was amazing. The course was centered around budgeting, changing the mindset regarding finances and credit reporting, going through the credit report with one of the BCNI counselors made it super easy for me to understand what I'm reading when I'm looking at my credit report and what to tackle first when you're looking at fixing your credit. In general, the course just taught me so much that I wouldn't have known just going into finances. My end goal is home ownership, but at the time of taking the course, it was to just become familiar and with better managing my finances. And that's exactly what that course taught me. Yes, I would highly recommend any young adult, anyone who is interested in home ownership to take the course. I would highly recommend it for anyone. It's not just for people who are interested in owning a home.
The course is 5 weeks long and covers topics like budgeting, spending, bank accounts, and credit reports. Angela and Elroy Tatum from U Wealth Inc. Education Services are leading this week's lesson.
We're going to go through this in a lot of detail.
She hopes by the end of these 5 weeks, individuals will have the knowledge to get their finances in order.
Be able to overcome any financial hardships that they could possibly be going through at this time or reach any financial goals that they're looking to achieve.
As for Rhonda, she knows it'll be a lot of work to reach her goal of becoming a homeowner, but she's feeling more confident now that she's budgeting.
It is, but you just have to keep hope alive and keep going until you get what you want.